Okay, after carefully opening and inspecting the box for all the pieces, we got horns. That's our victim over there. Okay, got the hoses. For those of you that have never done this before, again, we're in the same boat. A ver, let's hear it. Yeah. Yeah. Check it out. We're gonna give it a little test drive. El ground. Está desconectado el ground. Alright, so we got a ground using a little 10 gauge Rockford Fosgate wire. Got some positive action going right there. Nice. A ver, ready? Go ahead. Out in the distance, there's a Suburban. Shut them down, boys. Okay, that looks important. Yep. Just inserting the wires.
Esa es la pepa loca.
For the horn. For the horning. Good.
Ahí estás.
Perfect. Okay. Got the new fuse under. Car wash, yeah. Still not out of Pepsi. Who's behind the scenes? Martinez. Martin! Up the ground. It's Thanksgiving Day, so everything's pretty much closed. Checking it out. Another day, another set of lights. Alright, back to my stuff. Okay. Getting ready to cut this out. Put the switch. Alright.
Pero en uno de esos cabe un grande esos, abajo de la troca.
¿Sí cabe?
Hay llaves, sí.
Sí, ahí no nos compraste la vez pasada para camiones.
Yo tengo la de este. Vamos a la tienda.
Touch. Okay. More discreet every time. Hehehe.
¿Cómo se llama?
Ya ves, son de...
Especiales.
Ay, güey. De 1 pulgada.
Aquí en
En San Antonio lo venden. Crazy Lalo. Got it all done. Put the new parts in. Bam! No more water leaking. Carajo. The old ones were leaking. Martin took care of that real quick. Finished before me. What the hell? What's wrong with that van?
Squirrel, and I was like, what?
Squirrel?
What kind of turkey is that?
I think we're ready. Like, save me some raccaroni.
Macaroni.
Raccaroni? Raccaroni? You know where's raccaroni?
No mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Melody Scooby-Doo.
Rackaroo.
How would you say it in Spanish?
We're gonna eat the dog next.
What?
Yeah.
Eat the fat one. Has more meat.
Oh, okay. Wait, what is this? It's got cheese.
It's a casserole.
Is that mashed potatoes? No. Tampoco. Nope. She even brought in flour seed from the garden. I don't know what this is, but it looks yummy. I think that's the macaroni. Meet the bolas. A ver. She got the jigsaw. Mira.
I guess I'm Jason.
Modern.
The fourth.
Mira. How come you get to have all the cool stuff, huh? If your ancestors could see you now, they'd be pissed. How the hell are you? We used to cut stuff with a stick.
We had a dull knife.
There's 2 turkeys. McDonald's caters.
McDonald's.
I'm getting depressed.
What do we got
over here.
Hypnotic and some Kettle One from Vegas.
From Vegas, eh? She still got the Vegas shoes on.
We're about to kill it tonight. Vegas shoes.
Those are the don't ask, don't tell.
Me and
Porque
the
we
fellas
ain't
are
telling
gonna
nothing. She's such a bad influence, eh? I don't know how the hell I got home last time. I think Beto took me.
It's in the Rodriguez blood.
I tell ya. How'd they even let you bring liquor back? Or I just never fly.
Don't say nothing.
I just never fly. I don't know nothing.
Disgusted with trust, I'll just know it no more. Just went with the flow, found myself on the road. When you went away, all my pain went astray. Like it's a new day, now I have no one to argue with. Cause I'm not home, don't care who you're with, don't call my phone. You forget, you know you're wrong. And you're all on it, you're on down, you're on down. No one is near you, no one can. The bass can and kick it.